Mobile phones and the mobile industry in general became a part of our daily life a long time ago. Feels like it was always there. We always knew how to use the apps to video call someone, send just made photos, order food or taxi to the accurate location. And the statistics say that it's getting more and more popular. Just look at the graphics and you'll see that the numbers are growing day by day. And all the apps with their user-friendly interface are making people use them more and more. What's the reason, you'd ask? The reason is on the surface. It's convenient and time-saving. At Scrile, we know how to make not only a web-based platform, but also how to create a mobile app and, what's more important, register and publish it on the App Store and Google Play Market. Why is it important? Because the requirements are tough and you need to be experienced in it to make the app a part of App Store and Google Play's catalogs. We know how to do that, and in today's video, we are going to share our experience based on the App Store. Development and publication of the app on the catalog require getting a development account and subscription on the system. Only in case your account and subscription are valid, your app may be placed in the system and seen by users. Even if your app is free, once your subscription is stopped for some reason, the app will be taken out of the catalog. Before publication, Apple, as well as Google of course, check the app thoroughly. It would have to be tested several times in different ways, automatically and manually. A representative of the market would have to study your business plan and check whether it is compliant to the requirements. And if we are talking about the requirements they have, let us just bring an example of Onlyfans app. They face two main obstacles: adult content and paid subscriptions. We are going to stop at each of them separately. Apple does not allow the publication of adult content app in their store. Even though you can still find an 18+ category in the catalog, adult content is not a part of it. It's still a banned story there. Many people would say, what about Twitter? They do have sensitive content, don't they? Well, yeah, but only explicit content spirits and people from this corporation know what price they paid for being placed on the market. Now, let's talk about the Apple subscriptions. And the main thing about it is not the fact whether it's possible to set subscriptions for users through the App Store, but the commission they take for their service. To let users pay with Face ID and other convenient stuff, the app owner would have to pay 30% commission to Apple for each transaction users make. And then we add Onlyfans commission and voila! Creators' earnings are reduced by half and equals almost zero. How long is your app gonna live then? Apart from that, even though you know how to compensate for the Apple commission with the large volume of sales, you are still under a risk of elimination from the catalog. It means that one day you may find your app no longer in the store without clients who were using only the app. No app, no acceptance of payments, no clients. Judging from all said before, we can make a conclusion that there will be no OnlyFans app until they ban explicit content on their platform. And banning may turn out a huge problem for many adult content creators that are trying to build customer base there. They are dependent on OnlyFans strategy development and their investors. However, if the app is not adult content related, then there are not many obstacles in publishing at all. Just look at another subscription-based platform, Patreon. Despite the fact that the whole process of publication took a lot of time and effort for them, according to the founder of Patreon, they could agree with Apple on the commission less than 30%. If you are not working with explicit content, it's a completely realistic story to get an app for a business. You can be inspired by Instagram with its paid subscriptions, posts, and stories. Many of your ideas can become alive and highly demanded in the niche you are targeting. At Scrile, we already have experience of creating popular apps, for example, for psychic reading and expert consulting industries. Also, there are other spheres that are mainstreams nowadays: fitness, life coaching, so on and so forth. There can be an app only for chats with your clients in general, or with those who already have a subscription. Solving such particular tasks with the help of an app is very handy and profitable in terms of response time and service quality. Or they can be an app for personal brand promotion, a sort of a messenger to be more closer with your followers and fans. And what are your ideas? Let us know what you would like to see in the app to make it more popular and eye-catching in the comments down below. And thank you for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. There are many other videos waiting for you to watch. Bye!